Hi guys, this is Kuya Debs and today we're going to solve this analytic geometry problem to find the slope of the line through points 2, 5, and 8, negative 1. So we know that the slope is equals to the change of y over change of x or delta x, and delta y or change of y is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So nasaan po ang values ng y sub 2 and y sub 1? Or x sub 2 and x sub 1. Actually, we can say that this is our x sub 1 and y sub 1. And also, this is our x sub 2, y sub 2. Kuya, pwede bang pagpalitin ito ang magiging x sub 2 at ito ang magiging y sub 1, y sub 2? Of course, yes. Pwedeng magkapalit. Basta, hindi lang, dapat pareha lang siya ng, kung ito ay x sub 1, dapat ito ay y sub 1. Hindi pwedeng x sub 1 ito, tapos ito magiging y sub 2. Hindi yan pwede. Okay, so let us continue. So the slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Y sub 2 is equal to negative 1 minus 5 over x sub 2, 8 minus the y sub 1. So we know that negative 1 minus 5 is equal to negative 6 over 8 minus 2, that is 6. Therefore, ang slope natin is equals to 1. This is our final answer.